after being in the US for like 3 months now, it's really nice to have a change of culture, of I don't know, it just feels so different, because it is different, of course, being in Mexico now, but it's just nice to have a change. That's, I think, what I'm trying to say. And everything is so much more hectic now. I mean, it's gonna calm down when we hit the coast, but hopefully. But it's just cool. It's different and it's cool. Alright, first things first, Luisa is buying a SIM card, a Mexican SIM card, so we have some mobile internet and so on. So, our first impression of Mexican roads. They are pretty busy. We're on the Highway 1, not the 1D, which is the one closer to the coast yet, but to the Highway 1. And yeah, in the city in Tijuana it was pretty, like, not if it wasn't a main road, the streets were in pretty bad condition and lots of traffic. But now the Highway 1 is actually in pretty good shape, and now it even has a shoulder. And the drivers are pretty respectful. Either they slow down or they do leave you lots of room when they're overtaking, and it's pretty okay so far. So day 2 cycling in Mexico, and we are heading into the mountains, or rather we already are in the mountains, and it's just amazing. It's so beautiful. We're really glad we left the coast for a few kilometers. And yeah, today we're cycling with Trenton and Sam, who yeah, spontaneously showed up at the same campsite as us last night. And they're planning to go through a bit of Mexico. Oh, now it's getting windy. And yeah, and also down Baja now, which is also our plan for the next few weeks. But Luis and I, we're probably only going to cycle together today, because Luis and I have an Airbnb in Ensenada tonight, or actually for the next 3 nights, because yeah, we need some us time, and we want to just chill a bit and be by the sea, so that's going to be nice. Wow. And
enjoy your ride.
Yeah, enjoy Ensenada. And yeah, let's ride. I don't know if we meet somewhere along the road or something.
Keep in touch in like a couple days, we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Well, take care.
Bye. Good luck on the road.
So we're going left. We are really enjoying these 2 completely free days now.
Yeah.
It kind of feels like a small vacation from the journey, and that might sound a bit strange or also hard to understand for people who have never traveled that long. But yeah, just cycling every day, and then if we're not cycling, then often editing if we have a hotel for a night or so. It's exhausting. And also when we're with the host, we spend time with the host, and we really enjoy that. But it's also just nice to have some time with just the two of us.
Yeah.
Doing some editing, but also just enjoying the beach.
Enjoying it a bit, yeah.
Yeah, taking some time off, and yeah.
It's a nice change once in a while.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in Mexico, unlike in the US, you have a huge selection of pastries and especially over here, like fresh bread rolls and really good bread rolls, which we've just really missed having. Like, it's just, and it's super cheap, which is great. It's so fantastic. So the mountains here are just scattered in these huge boulders. Super interesting. And they're all really rounded off, like not jagged at all really. It's fascinating.
Hola.
Wow.
So after mostly cycling up the last 2 days, looks like we're finally going down today, and maybe we'll even be able to reach the east coast of Baja. Let's see how far we come. Oh man, how many holes.
¿Dónde viene?
No,
¿No habla español? Yeah. Adelante. Muy bien.
there are just crazy amounts of like military police and just checkpoints, and it's crazy. Really a lot.
So cycling along the eastern coast of Baja California, we've noticed there are many lost places like restaurants, hotels, camping areas, everything broken down and yeah, empty. There are really not a lot of markets here or anything, so we have to plan a bit better now with water and food and everything. We went shopping yesterday, so we do have some food, but maybe we should start carrying more water than we do.
There's literally nothing here and no cars in either direction. Crazy.
So we got some more food now
And water.
and water because there are not a lot of markets coming the next days.
And what we've realized, even if Google like says something, there's something there, it's either they're abandoned or not actually there. And yeah, it's
Sometimes it is there, but you can't trust Google.
yeah, and we literally don't know when the next market is going to come or when next time we can really fill up water. So. So this is now our 8th consecutive night wild camping. We've had some pretty nice spots, and the last nights we've always slept without a fly sheet because it's just been so nice seeing the stars, and the temperature has been great, and it's been so dry and just amazing. And then tonight, I guess because of all the vegetation here, because we're in this, I don't know, this valley, it got so moist, like a proper fog built up, but we realized way too late and everything got soaked. Our sleeping bags, the inner tent, oh, it's just drenched. So yeah, we're really hoping the sun comes out soon so we can start drying some of this stuff.
Yeah, and we have a host tonight. We can shower there finally after 8 nights now wild camping. So it's about time, but we don't know when we can leave because we can't pack the bags like this wet.
Yeah.
So yeah, we have to count on the sun and then hopefully get a shower tonight.
So
We're getting close to the border of Baja California and Baja California Sur, and because so much happened already, we decided to make 2 videos out of this. So yeah, that was Baja California.